Have you ever wondered what life would be like if dinosaurs still roamed the earth? A question that sparks curiosity and sends our imaginations running wild into the lush landscapes of a world teeming with prehistoric life. Dinosaurs, these magnificent creatures that once ruled our planet, are nothing short of fascinating. Their sheer size and variety are mind-boggling, from the towering might of the Brachiosaurus, standing tall with its long neck reaching for the sky, to the terrifying Tyrannosaurus Rex, the undisputed king of predators. Each dinosaur species had its unique traits and behaviors that shaped the ecosystem they inhabited. These creatures thrived in diverse environments. Some roamed vast open plains, others navigated dense jungles, while some even soared through the skies. Their lives, their behaviors, and their interactions with their environment were incredibly complex, painting a vibrant picture of life millions of years ago. But then, about 65 million years ago, everything changed. A catastrophic event, believed to be a massive asteroid strike, led to the extinction of these majestic creatures. The world went dark, dust and debris filled the skies, blocking out the sun. The temperatures plummeted, plant life dwindled, and the dinosaurs, unable to adapt to these harsh conditions, gradually died out. This event left a massive void in our planet's history, a void filled with questions and mysteries that scientists are still trying to unravel today. It's a journey of discovery that takes us back in time, helping us understand the Earth's past and how life evolved to what we see today. But what if that asteroid had missed? What if the dinosaurs didn't go extinct? What if these colossal creatures were still a part of our world today? How would that look? How would that change the world as we know it? It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? So let's dive into this thought experiment. Let's venture into the realms of the unknown and the unexplored. Let's push the boundaries of our imagination and envision a world, our world where dinosaurs still exist. Now, let's imagine a world where that extinction event never happened. Picture this. A T-Rex stalking its prey in the heart of New York City. Now that's a sight that would surely stop traffic. But let's take it a step further. Imagine a world where dinosaurs roam freely amongst us. A world where the mighty Brachiosaurus grazes peacefully in Central Park, while a pack of velociraptors scurry through the bustling streets of Tokyo. Sounds thrilling, doesn't it? But would our modern ecosystems be able to accommodate these colossal creatures from the past? Let's ponder over the potential challenges. First and foremost, we have the conflict between dinosaurs and human infrastructure. Our cities, roads, bridges, and buildings are designed for us, not for creatures that can weigh up to 80 tons and stand over 30 feet tall. Infrastructure damage would be inevitable, and the costs of rebuilding would be staggering. Then we have the impact on other wildlife. Dinosaurs were apex predators and massive herbivores. The introduction of such dominant species could wreak havoc on existing food chains, potentially leading to the extinction of current species. Would our beloved pandas, elephants, or even cats and dogs stand a chance against a hungry T-Rex or a herd of Triceratops? And what about the environment? Dinosaurs lived in a time when Earth's climate was vastly different. The lush, tropical environments they thrived in are starkly different from today's varied climates. Could dinosaurs adapt to our modern world, or would our world need to change to accommodate them? All these challenges paint a picture of a world that is dramatically different from the one we know today. But humans are remarkably adaptable. We've survived ice ages, pandemics, and even the invention of reality TV. So the question isn't whether dinosaurs could fit into our world, but whether we could adapt to theirs. Could we as humans adapt to living alongside these prehistoric creatures? Only time, or perhaps a cleverly engineered theme park, could tell. How would our evolution have been different if dinosaurs were still around? Ponder that for a moment. The presence of these colossal creatures would have undeniably influenced our development as a species. Let's imagine a world where the meteor that led to the extinction of dinosaurs never hit Earth. Dinosaurs would continue to dominate the planet while early humans began to evolve. The challenges early humans faced would be vastly different. Instead of just dealing with other mammals, we'd be contending with massive predatory dinosaurs. Now, survival is the mother of invention, and facing such formidable foes might have accelerated the development of our cognitive and physical abilities. Picture early humans, huddled together, developing strategies to avoid becoming a T-Rex's dinner. This could have led to the evolution of advanced problem-solving skills far earlier than in our actual timeline. Moreover, the need for safety might have driven us towards creating fortified shelters or even underground dwellings. The development of advanced tools and weaponry would have been a necessity, not an option. The wheel, fire, the spear, might these have been invented earlier in response to this extreme survival pressure? In addition, the presence of dinosaurs would have affected our social behaviors. For instance, there may have been a stronger emphasis on group living and cooperation to fend off the dinosaur threat. This could have led to the development of complex social structures and communication systems at an earlier stage. On a physiological level, would we have developed differently? Would we have evolved to be faster, stronger, or perhaps more agile climbers to escape from dinosaurs? Or would we have evolved into smaller, less noticeable creatures to avoid drawing attention? But let's not forget that evolution is a slow process, and the presence of dinosaurs might not have guaranteed our survival. The course of human evolution could have been a path fraught with danger and uncertainty. The presence of dinosaurs could have drastically altered our journey to becoming the species we are today. Our world and our place in it might have been completely different, with the shadow of these ancient behemoths looming over us. We can only speculate, but it's fascinating to consider the possibilities. How might we use our current technology to coexist with dinosaurs? Quite a thought, isn't it? In the realm of imagination, let's delve into the possibilities. First off, let's imagine drones humming in the sky, not just for picturesque landscape shots or delivering packages, but for a far more intriguing purpose. Picture these drones keeping a vigilant eye on roaming dinosaur herds. If you think counting sheep is tedious, try counting a herd of triceratops. But with modern drone technology and advanced AI, we might be able to monitor dinosaur populations, their movements, and even their health. Now, let's talk about transportation. In a world shared with dinosaurs, our regular commutes could turn into adventures. Picture a Monday morning, you're late for work, and there's a T-Rex causing a traffic jam. A bit of a pickle, right? But hold on, what if we could reinvent our transportation methods? Think about elevated monorails or hyperloop systems, zipping us above the dinosaur traffic. Or perhaps self-driving cars equipped with dinosaur detection sensors, ensuring a safe and smooth ride despite the Jurassic obstacles. And it doesn't end there. Imagine the possibilities of genetic research. With the knowledge we have today, could we potentially modify dinosaur genetics to coexist better with humans? Maybe we could engineer a Brachiosaurus to be the size of a dog, a friendly and herbivorous pet dinosaur. Anyone? Of course, all these ideas are purely speculative, but they do make us realize how far we've come in terms of technological advancement. We live in an era where we're exploring Mars and manipulating genes. Who's to say what's next? So, while we might not be sharing our world with dinosaurs anytime soon, it's certainly an exciting thought experiment. It makes us appreciate the power of technology and the limitless potential it holds. Our technological advancements might just make cohabitation with dinosaurs a possibility. Dinosaurs roaming the Earth today is a fascinating concept to ponder. As we've journeyed through this hypothetical scenario, we've touched on numerous intriguing aspects that such a world could present. Imagine the sheer wonder and awe of observing these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. The colossal herbivores grazing on towering foliage, the agile predators stalking their prey, the skies filled with winged reptiles. It's a spectacle that would undoubtedly captivate and inspire. Yet, as we have discovered, the existence of dinosaurs in the modern world wouldn't just be a marvel to behold. It would significantly alter the dynamics of our ecosystems. These prehistoric giants could potentially disrupt the delicate balance of nature, creating a ripple effect that could change the course of evolution for countless species. We've also delved into the impact on human evolution. Would we have developed as we did, or would our survival instincts have pushed us along a different evolutionary path? Perhaps we would have become more adept at climbing to escape ground-based threats, or maybe we would have developed sharper senses to detect danger. Then there's the intersection of dinosaurs and modern technology. The potential for scientific discovery is immense. We could gain unprecedented insights into the biology, behavior, and evolution of these ancient beasts. However, we also need to consider the ethical implications. How would we treat these creatures? Would they be respected and protected, or exploited for their unique attributes? As we wrap up this thought experiment, it's clear that the presence of dinosaurs in today's world would be both a marvel and a challenge. It would offer incredible opportunities for learning and discovery, yet also pose significant dilemmas about our relationship with the natural world. While we may never know for sure, it's certainly an intriguing thought, a world where humans and dinosaurs share the same space. What do you think life would be like?